We're here with this 2016 Nissan Altima, and I done already went through this car, and I know that it is a lemon, but I'm gonna show you guys how you can easily be tricked out here at the auction.
Walking through the auction with a flashlight bright. The paint look clean, but something ain't right. Engine knocking louder than a Saturday band. Seller says runs great, yeah, I understand.
Thank you for clicking on the video, everybody. This is Ellis again with Harbor Freight Auto with another edition of Don't Buy That Lemon. Right here we have a 2016 Nissan Altima with 130,000 miles on it, which is fairly okay, but this is definitely a lemon. We're gonna go through it. Okay, so it's out here at the auction for a reason. All right, you look at this car, it look pretty good. I mean, don't get me wrong. A wash and the detail, you know, you got a nice looking car here, no dents. You know, for a 10-year-old car, look pretty good. All right, yeah, but it's a hidden issue with this one. This is why it's very important to come out here and do your homework, because somebody's gonna come out here, and I'm gonna show that to you guys. Somebody's gonna come out here and buy this lemon thinking they got a nice, pretty, shiny car to put on their lot and sell, but lo and behold, they got a major surprise lined up for them. Okay, now you read the OBD reader right here. It tells you no engine codes. I hope you can see that right here. No engine codes is what it says, but that surely is a lie. See, look at this. The car is blinking on and off by itself. I just got it sitting here in idle, and you can see the dashboard done cut off. You know, it's the car's still on, it's still running. I hope you can still hear it. Watch, so listen. Hear that? It's still on, but you can see the dashboard just done went blank. The radio went off by itself. The AC, everything just cut off by itself while I was just sitting here in idle. That's why it's very important that when you're buying these cars from this auction, you got to go through them real good. Don't just go by your eyes. Your eyes will fool you. See, I done already figured out, right? It's something going on with the battery, right? But it's more than that, because I see they put a new alternator on here and the battery is still dying, right? The battery is dying. This is why the lights and everything is going off and the car is struggling to start. You see right here? See how it's just doing that by itself? I'm not doing this. See how the car just coming on and going off by itself? See the AC just came back on? You hear it? I didn't touch anything. It did all that by itself, okay? All right, so you would think that the battery is going bad and you just get a new battery and everything will be fine. But it's more than that. I believe this car got an electrical problem, because I see they already got a brand new alternator on here, which lets me know that the alternator, see the battery light keep coming on? The alternator is what charges your battery, right? So whoever had it before thought that it was the alternator, but it wasn't. This is an electrical problem. This is a grade A lemon, right? See how it's going off? Look, you see it? I'm not doing any of that. I'm not doing any of that stuff. The car just blinking on and off by itself. It's doing what it want to do. Lets me know it's an electrical problem. But if you don't know what you're doing, you would think that it's a battery problem, but it's bigger than that. Let me show you this alternator. Okay, listen to this engine. Look at it. You hear it? Struggling to stay on. Yeah, it look good. It look good, but it ain't good. Look, see? Oh, see, it just shut off by itself. You heard it. Just shut off by itself. See there? That's a brand new alternator, right? So it makes you believe that whoever had it before thought that it was the battery, right? First, so they changed the battery. You see, this battery looked fairly new too. And that didn't work, so they came and changed the alternator thinking that the alternator wasn't charging the battery. But your true problem is an electrical problem, right? So this is a grade A lemon. This is why they sent it out here to the auction, to dump it over on somebody else, you know? And they're gonna have to deal with that problem. So if you ain't doing your homework, you can be that somebody. Okay, here we go. We almost coming up. I think we got 2 cars before the lemon is coming through. Hold on for a second. Okay, see, this is what happens. Let me see how many people out there. I don't expect for this car to go much. This is 10 years old with 130,000 miles on it. See, all right, you got a few dealers out there in the lane waiting on it. See, these are the dealers. Not everybody, but some of them don't do their homework. They just come out here at sale time and they'll stand up in the line and see something come through, look shiny, and bid on it. Okay, see? They got it up for the green light. See the green light on it? Here we go. Here go your lemon. He asking for $5 grand. Of course, nobody ain't gonna bid that. You're gonna start to drop it down. 2,200, 28. These are the people that's bidding that don't know what's going on. Ha! $4 grand. The MMR is only 32. They overbidding on it. They overbidding on it because it looks good. He got electrical problems. He bought it for $4,500 when he should have only paid 32. Okay, so whoever bought that, they overpaid. Somebody out here just bought that car that did not do their homework. When they find out that they got electrical problems, they got to rewire all that stuff, they're not going to want to do that. So what they do is they put it on their lot because it's shiny and it fooled them. They're going to put it on their lot. It's going to be shiny and fool you too if you don't know what you're looking at. So again, this is Ellis with Harbor Fair Auto, and this is another edition of Don't Buy That Lemon.
Don't buy that lemon, let it roll on by.